So most of you have already participated in the Gen AI Academy APAC edition. In case you don't know about the event, how to participate, I have already covered in the video. Currently, Gen AI Academy APAC edition cohort 2 is live. How to participate, you can just check out the video in the description and make sure you subscribe the channel for more informative updates. So what is this email? This email is simply just asking you to write a blog post, whatever you have built in the challenge. Okay, whether you have submitted any track project or maybe you participate in the hackathon, you have to just share your project, means you have to just document your experience entire cohort, whatever you have learned. You have to write a blog over here and add things like which problem statement did you choose. Mostly the problem statement was provided by them also, so you can write that thing only, your approach, how you solved it, how your solution works, and the tools and techniques you have used for that particular project. So you have to write a blog. You can write on LinkedIn also, maybe Medium also, and then you have to share the blog with them. You have to just click on share with us. A form will open mostly like this. You have to enter your full name, register email. Phone number is optional, you can mention it, but I won't recommend because they have not made it compulsory. You can avoid it. Your LinkedIn profile, and you have to mention the link of your specific post. Whether you have posted on Medium, Dev, or even on LinkedIn, you have to attach that post. And here you have to just click on yes and submit it. That's all. This is a very simple challenge. You can complete it easily. Also, there are multiple challenges similar to this, like the Gen AI Academy Application Cohort 2, the Prompt Words Challenge, which is also live. You can participate in it. Also, we have multiple internships, arcade programs. All things are there. Make sure to take the benefit, and opportunities don't lie. Okay, you have to just grab them. And as soon as possible, complete all these challenges, participate in all these events. If you still have any doubts, you can let me in the comment section. Thank you. Goodbye.